have a message here. Don't skip. I have a message. Men and women, we all learned from relationships, you know. But I'm going to tell you something. You have to give somebody a chance. We all gonna get old one day. None of us is leaving Earth alive. So we really have to give some chances, because not because some people fail, not all will fail. No, women, pay attention. You see? If you give somebody a chance, eventually someone will show you what you're worth. The truth is, we have to learn the art of letting go. Somebody will give you what you deserve one day. Only if you understand that simple is more. Now I'm right here, and you know, sometimes I do some of them things here, they think a public stunt, but how much time I go show no before no believe. This is a serving of coconut water with strawberry for my empress. She did do a video here. Yeah man. I go put okra in a mine. I can't move else to go, but I put okra in a mine. You understand? See there? Mine got on okra coconut water. Yeah man, sometimes it's simple things. You may be on the yacht, you know, but it don't mean anything than just the yacht. You understand? But just accept this from somebody today. Here, would you accept this as your first outings? No, this is not my lady first. But would you accept this as your first outings? Just say thank you, no? Say thank you, man. Because me I tell a man, is the moment in between life will matter. We're gonna get old from baby, we're from baby, and baby we will go back. And the memories don't live like people do. When you're on your veranda, sex won't matter anymore. Your makeups, your beauty, your butt, your stiff breasts won't matter. You know what will matter? Kindness, companionship. Yo, peace and light, people. Stick together, man and woman. Fight to stay together rather than fighting to stay separated. Love when you're here, or listen. Yeah man. Yeah man, check out my new book now on Amazon. Earth Book 1, and also locally here in Jamaica. And who can wear the clothesline? We're coming out the best. We'll be getting prizes and surprises. Yo, me out here.